Welcome to today's video. Whether you're looking for insights into the current US job market or curious about how fewer layoffs don't necessarily mean it's easier to find a job, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the paradox of the US job market where layoffs are minimal, but finding a new job is harder than ever. In this video, we'll explore why layoffs are few, yet job seekers are facing challenges, the role of economic uncertainty, and what it all means for the future of work. Let's get started. Right now, the US job market is a bit of a puzzle. You might expect that with fewer layoffs, it would be easier to find work, right? Well, that's not exactly the case. Despite a low number of layoffs, many companies are slowing down on hiring. They're hesitant to bring in more staff, largely because they're still unsure about the economic future. So, while people aren't losing their jobs at the same rate as before, those looking for new opportunities aren't finding the market as open as they'd like. Let's break this down a bit further. Big companies are playing it safe. Instead of overstaffing, they're keeping things tight. This caution started after the pandemic and hasn't fully eased up yet. Businesses don't want to risk hiring too many people when the economy still feels unstable. The Federal Reserve has also been raising interest rates to fight inflation, which means companies are more cautious about growing their teams. This slower pace of hiring is part of a bigger story about economic uncertainty. Even though the US has been adding jobs each month, the numbers are far below what we saw during the earlier stages of the post-pandemic recovery. For example, in July, about 150,000 jobs were added, but that's down significantly from the 400,000 jobs per month we were seeing before. Many job seekers are facing a tough reality. They're applying for jobs, but the offers just aren't coming in. The interesting thing is, even though unemployment is still low, around 3.5, it's not translating into job offers. Why? Because companies are hiring much more slowly. The Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes are likely cooling down the job market, making employers think twice before expanding their workforce. Economists are warning that if businesses don't start hiring more soon, the job market could remain tough for a while. The big question is, when will we see things improve? If economic signals don't turn positive soon, companies will continue to hold off on hiring, leaving job seekers in a challenging position. So, what does this mean for you if you're looking for a job? Patience and persistence will be key. The market may be slower than expected, but knowing how companies are navigating this period can help you adjust your strategy. Keep honing your skills, keep networking, and stay prepared. While hiring might be slow now, the situation could improve as businesses gain more confidence in the economic future. That's all for today's video. I hope this gave you a clear picture of what's happening in the US job market right now and why it's harder to find jobs even with fewer layoffs. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Have questions or comments? Leave them down below, and we'll see you next time.